Breville makes the most amazing kitchen accessories. This is one of my all-time favorites. It's a multi-tool. You can use it individually like this. You can attach different attachments to it. I'm going to show you just exactly what this does. So the first thing we're going to do is put some chicken in here, and we're going to chop it. It's a mini food processor. So we've got the chicken in, got the blade in, attach this to it. And you've got chicken salad, just like that. So we're going to make mashed potatoes. It's one of my least favorite things in the kitchen, but this makes it so easily. You got potatoes, you got your milk, these are already cooked, and it just turns them into mashed potatoes, just like that. And there you have mashed potatoes. You can do the same thing with soups, with bean soup, turn into liquids that are solid. It's an amazing, amazing Breville device.